So this product here is the FitFirst Heating Waist Wrap, and it comes with, of course, the heating wrap. It comes with a USB. It comes with a charging bank and the user manual, of course. With the charging bank, after it is charged fully, you are going to take it and put it into the pouch of your heating wrap, and you're going to connect it with this. So after you connect it, you take it, put it into your little pouch, close it here, and then you are going to hold down the power button for about 3 seconds. Once you hold it down, it's going to give you the 3 options that you can use. The first one, that's red, of course, is for hot, blue for cold, green for room temperature, and then of course you hold it down if you want to turn it off. On the back, there's a black mesh, and on the inside of it is a gel pack. You can take this gel pack, put it in a freezer for 2 hours. This is going to cool, so of course you can use it while it's on the cool setting, and it can help to relax the pain away. Do not plug in and leave unattended. This wrap is not to be used or by any sleeping unconscious person or person with poor blood circulation. I am in love with this product. It's easy to use, and it's really good for my back because I make a lot of deliveries and everything, so I'm doing a lot of lifting, a lot of bending, and this is good to have at the end of the day so that I can relax